Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video I'll be telling you how to improve your aim super fast. A 30-minute training session in Valorant is more than enough regularly to improve your aiming. It can be an effective way to warm up your aim, practice specific skills and refining your aiming mechanics. Start with some basic warm-up exercise to get your muscles and reflexes primed for gunplay. Spend a few minutes in the shooting range moving around, doing some light shooting, getting comfortable with your mouse sensitivity. Focus on flick shots to practice quickly acquiring targets and landing shots with precision. Choose a stationary target and practice flicking your crosshair to it from various angles. Aim for headshots to maximize your accuracy. Practice tracking moving targets to improve your ability to keep your crosshair on targets while it's in motion. Use the moving targets in shooting range or enable the strafe setting for more dynamic target movement. Concentrate on maintaining smooth, consistent movement with your mouse. Practice burst firing to improve your accuracy and conserve ammo during engagements. Choose a target at medium range, practice firing short bursts of bullets to land precise shots on target. Focus on controlling your burst and adjusting your aim as needed. Spend the last few minutes of your training sessions refining any specific skills or techniques you want to work on. This can include practicing specific agent abilities, experimenting with new strategies, and focusing on weaknesses identified during gameplay. Finish your training session with a cool down period to relax your muscles and reflect on your performance. Take a moment to stretch, hydrate, and mentally prepare for the upcoming matches. With these tips, you can easily improve your aiming in Valorant with regular practice. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.